Hi guys, Mike here for Expert Trades, doing a review on the Wiha 6-piece screwdriver set. Now this is a PicoFinish set, and it does come with this nice little handy storage rack, which if you're using in a workshop you can leave like this, or you can actually mount to a pegboard or something. It's got 2 screw holes in the back, and then you just change the way you're storing your screwdrivers. One nice little feature of storage rack is it has got a little storage tray, because when you tend to use these small screwdrivers it does tend to be for small screws. The only downside I've found with this is when you're using it in this position, it does have a habit of pulling the end caps off the screwdrivers, so you just got to pop them back on just so you can get that spinning action back again. The screwdrivers themselves are really nice finish. They do have all the ends marked up for easy identification. If they're in a tool bag or anything, just store them upright and you'll see what you want. Then they do go from a soft finish to a hard finish. They also have flats around the end which act as an anti-roll feature, so they won't roll away if you put them on an angled surface, but also when you're using them it gives you something nice to grip rather than the cylindrical surface, just to give you a little bit more torque. But they are a really nice finish set. Retail they're about £25 to £30, but if you have to set a micro screwdrivers better than those ones everybody seems to pick up in Painland or anywhere cheap that are going to snap all that, I would definitely recommend these. These will last you, and I've really liked using these so far guys, so thank you.